Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this Yahoo problem. When you open Google Chrome and search anything, it automatically converts search engine to Yahoo. So in order to fix this, what you have to do is click on your three dots on Google Chrome and click on settings. Once you do this, click on startup, and then here you'll find Yahoo or something like that. Just click on three dots and click on remove. Once you do this, it will remove Yahoo from Google settings and won't open Yahoo again. Now click add a new page, and then in the URL type www.google.com and click add. Once you do this, it won't convert its search engine to Yahoo again, and it will keep on Google. So yes, this is how you can fix your problem. That's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy. Whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.